Having trouble thinking of what to get your mother for Mother's Day this year? Watch this video. I may just have the answer for you. Today's craft is a Mother's Day gift. A gift that she had never ever received before. A gift that will make her so glad that she had you, that she gave birth to you. A gift that may just make her think she did something right. A gift that she will cherish forever. A gift like no other gift. Plus, I have a bonus tucked in between this video. I have a bonus gift that you can make for your mother. This may just make your mother cry. After watching this, you may just watch future videos just for the bonus. Hey, if you call me Bonus Beth, I wouldn't take offense to that. That's absolutely okay. By the way, yes, I'm Beth, and welcome back to Party, Fun. Let's get going on making Mama cry. Today's tutorial has 3 uses: as a greeting card, a party decoration, or a photo prop. This board is 19 inches side to side and 13 inches top to bottom. I guarantee you, your mother will be so thrilled to get this, and then add the bonus to that. For the bonus lesson, I went shopping at Goodwill. You know, the second-hand store. I was going to make something with a picture frame. There were a lot and great prices too, but nah, something else. So watch on. What do you think about getting Mom something from the Goodwill? Do you think that's okay? Or is that unacceptable? Wait, don't answer that question just yet. Finish the tutorial first and then give me an answer on the comment box below. I'll tell you later what I decided to make for the bonus gift for Mom. But for now, let's go back to our tutorial board. Let's find the midpoint at the top. I'll mark it with a small, almost invisible dot. These dots will help us when we place the letters. I'll do the same for the bottom and the sides. I do this for every project. You'll see why. Your mother will be so elated to get this one-of-a-kind Mother's Day card. Be sure to take a picture with her while holding this up. She'll never forget this special day. Yay! Okay, we got all 4 midpoints marked up. The greatest challenge is in thinking up of a phrase to say. And finally, I got something. As you can see, I've set up all the letters around the board. This phrase is my favorite. If you like it, let me know. Comment below. And I'd appreciate it if you subscribe. Want to know what the phrase is that will melt Mom's heart? Watch on. I'm putting up the words. At this point, it doesn't have to be perfect. Come to think of it, it never has to be perfect. I just need to know for now if the phrase will fit on the board. I think I should be quiet for now, so you could watch and learn. But let me get some music first. The phrase fits. Now it's time to work on the letter placement. I can make all the changes I want so long as I haven't painted the board yet. I decided to make the bonus gift with two bowls. A glass bowl, I paid $2.49. Look at how pretty that glass bowl is. That smaller wooden bowl cost me just 49 cents. It's faded in some areas, showing clear sign of use. It's beautiful, isn't it? Mustn't let Mama see the price though. Easily removed with a bit of rubbing alcohol. When I said this gift will make Mama cry, I didn't mean because of how cheap the price is. We can level up the price easy. What we're making here is something unique, something that tells her she's not only worth money, but she's worth our time too. Put the wooden bowl in the glass bowl, opening at the bottom. Can you guess what we're going to do with this? I'll tell you in a minute. But for now, let's go back to our board. I turn the board to the side. That way I can see if the words are straight. This is the best time to make those changes. To move the letters further to the left or to the right. Up or down, closer to or further apart from each other. The first part of the message is at the top. I use the midpoints, the dots I made earlier, to guide my placement. The second part of the message is at the bottom. When I'm satisfied with the word placement, I go to the next part, the fun part, the painting. I divided the message into 4 parts, so I chose 4 colors. But first, talk about safety. Number 1, work in a very well ventilated area. Number 2, read the labels, the warnings, and the instructions. And number 3, always wear a mask when applying paint. We mustn't forget to check if we need to spray paint over some areas. And we're done, so time to dry it up. While drying the paint, let's go back to our bonus feature. This is a beautiful dark peach colored succulent plant. I took some branches from this plant. We are going to make a succulent arrangement for Mother. We will be needing maybe 1.5 cup of soil. We're going to spray water on this soil. I put the soil in the glass bowl around the wooden bowl. Then I planted the branches around the wooden bowl, the branches that I took from the other plant. No worries, the other plant will continue to live and will actually flourish. Don't you think Mother will like this? I turned the other wooden bowl into a candy dish. Mother will water these plants and watch them grow every day. A little every day until they're fully hanging from the glass. Mother will enjoy watching these plants grow. This arrangement, it'll make Mama cry. Now I'm going to put the candy dish on top of this succulent arrangement, just like this. I have in the dish a combination of mint and chocolate. Now that doesn't look like a $3 gift from Goodwill anymore, does it? And if you want to level up your Mother's Day gift, why, you can put a gift card under the chocolate, or maybe a necklace, a bracelet. The possibilities of a level up gift, endless. Now, if you don't think that'll make Mama cry, let's go back to our painted board. Wow, here it is, all dried and ready for the reveal. Let's remove those letters. My mom gave me life and gave me her life too. Isn't that so true? And now I give you party, party, fun, fun, Mother's Day gift tutorial. If you want to know where I go shopping for the materials that I've used, the board, the paint, the letters, check out the video on shopping. I'll put the link below. I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. Like, share, subscribe, and come back for more. This is Beth, Bonus Beth, saying goodbye for now. Until next time, God bless.